Say hey.
Hey.
Hey guys, we're headed out on an adventure. Nick even brought snacks.
There's a pond over there.
I'm impressed with him right now. He brought Nutri-Grain bites.
There's another runner.
And some Cheeto
I
puffs.
want some dance break. Okay, dance break over.
We're currently in downtown Flint, driving around.
Dance party.
Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me. Oh, oh, whoa, oh,
I said
whoa,
dance
oh.
party.
Na, 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 na. We got some Panda Express here.
Why is that camera?
We don't really have a destination at this point. We're just kind of driving and enjoying the sunshine and the view. We just came to an intersection and there are no road signs anywhere. Do you know where we are?
We're lost!
This never happens, you guys. Nick always knows where we are, all the time. Okay, so it's been like 45 seconds. And do you know where we are now?
Yeah.
He said, I think we're coming up to a cement road soon. And as soon as he said it, a car went flying past on a cement road.
And the other piece that goes to this, then you can mount it. Like this.
We are home from our little adventure drive. I am currently prepping some chicken. Nick is outside getting the Traeger ready to cook the chicken. The boys are playing outside. It's still like 75 degrees out. I'm gonna show you guys dinner. So this is what is gonna go on the Traeger. With dinner, I'm going to make these potatoes. Shout out to Nick's sister for these green beans because they're the best green beans in the entire world, and I'm also making them for dinner as well. You guys should all be jealous. Love you, Val.
Make your voice scratchy like this.
So it's currently at 444 degrees.
Not supposed to be.
Listen to that.
Hey everyone, welcome to 100 Juice Time. Like it comments down below what's your favorite juice, and I can do it tomorrow.
Green beans are on the stove. The potatoes are cooking. Chicken is almost done on the Traeger. I'm also gonna make this. I'm just like extremely hungry right now. And so the microwave's causing a scene. So this is what the salad looks like if you only put in what they give you. Watch. We're gonna add in some extra croutons. Also gonna add in more Parmesan cheese because you can never have enough of that.
We did that. That.
How is it?
Amazing.
I'm saving for
Is it good?
out.